That's our driver. Wearing a Hennessy shirt. My kind of guy. So, hey, enjoy the ride while we're going to get passed by some others. Look. Very impatient people here. Anywho, Dave Cooper live in Vientiane, Laos. My buddy Kevin here. Sounds like a dog barking, didn't it? I swear we didn't just hit a puppy. Look over there is a temple. So that would be a monk's temple right here. I do hope the sound comes out on this. It is worth sharing with everybody. But I said earlier video that there's about 2 million of Tuk Tuk